Looking for database services that fit your business needs? IT Company offers industry-leading database solutions. Databases form the foundation of every business. But if your database servers are slow and faulty, the industry could very well fall apart. The solution is simple. It's time to let IT Company database services handle all your database worries. IT Company ensures your SQL infrastructure is maintained, backed up, and cared for by the best certified experts in the industry. Your business's SQL server setup is crucial to the company's operations. Our goal is to accommodate your business's present and future demands, ensuring your business stability and performance. We provide top-notch managed SQL DBA services that prioritize your business needs. Our DBAs are backed by years of professional expertise in managing SQL Server databases, as well as consulting services to some of the most prestigious companies there are. At IT Company, we prioritize our customers by providing the most result-driven, efficient solutions and ensuring they receive the most outstanding service possible. Our services include database optimization, auditing, retrieving data, log shipping, recovery models, auto-scaling, automatic backups, indexes, and short-term backup retention. Here at IT Company, we have adaptable SQL DBA services that can be customized to your specific business requirements. Our highly experienced professional team will ensure that your databases successfully support your business activities. To enforce this, our experts will regularly monitor, manage, and optimize the database, ensuring your business never faces a database roadblock again. With IT Company database services, you don't have to worry anymore.